This is the Iowa 80 Truck Museum. I stayed all night here last night at the truck stop. I'm gonna go in here and check this out. So I've been sitting at this rest area most of the morning, figuring out where to go next. There's a winter storm coming through Kansas, and it's probably really not that big of a deal. It's just a couple inches, maybe 2 to 3, but I'm just trying to avoid it if I can. So I'm just cleaning up here a little bit, cleaning my stove, figuring out where to go. And I think it's going to be a short day today. I'm just kind of staying up north. I'm in Iowa right now, heading towards Nebraska, and I was going to cut down through Kansas, but I think I'm just going to drive a couple hours. I'm going to go do some laundry and maybe just hang out in Omaha or Council Bluffs and just see what happens, because that storm will be gone. I think it's going on right now, and I think by tomorrow it'll be gone. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my time and let it pass and then go south. There's where I spent last night. This rest area here. I-80 West. Got about 20-30 minute drive. Then I'm just gonna hang out in Omaha. I got off the highway here. I was on I-80, but I'm gonna go down here and get some gas because I'm about out. I was gonna try to make it up to this other gas station, but I don't want to chance it. I came to Anita to get gas, and there's a state park like a mile down the road here. I'm just gonna go check that out while I'm here. There we are, coming up on Lake Anita State Park. There's some turkeys out there. Deer over there. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, right behind that sign, right under that pine tree. So the campground's to the right. I'm gonna go to the left, maybe check. There's another deer right across the road. state park. Pretty neat. Wish I had some more time to hike around or something. This is the road back into the campground. So you got restrooms right there on the left. Oh, here's one. You got non-electric, electric, full hookup. I'm gonna jump out and see, just check it out, see how much it is. So the non-electric sites here are $6. I'll drive around here and check it out. Pretty nice campground for $6. They got a restroom up here. I don't know if there's showers in it, but it's closed anyway for the season. Alright, I got off the freeway to get gas. Got distracted there, went to the state park, but that was cool. That was a good stop, good thing to see. So, but now I'm back on the highway, I-80 West, heading towards Council Bluffs. Yeah, this is a bad wreck, it looks like. Oh yeah, the car flipped over on its side. Somebody got hurt, I seen them. That sucks. So I ended up at this Eagles Landing Flying J off of 80. It's open 24/7. I think I'm gonna try to stay here tonight. So I stayed here at the Flying J with no problems. I'm leaving here now. And I'm gonna head out to Omaha, because Kansas is still showing that some of the roads they're not closed, but they're completely covered, it said. I'm just gonna give it another day. And so the storm was heading east, and I'm just kind of heading west above it, like it's in Kansas under me, and I'm heading west in Iowa and Nebraska, so I'm kind of like trying to go around it and then come up behind it, and I figured that, like, by the time I get over to the west side of Kansas, it'll give them more time to clean it up. I've just been hanging out here in this parking lot for a while. I'm in Omaha, or Council Bluffs, and just getting ready to go do some laundry, go to Menards, just take care of some chores, and then probably stay here tonight. Not here, but Cracker Barrel. I just got 2 more of these refillable cylinders. I want to have it so I can have one outside, and then 2 of them just quit working. So I'll have 3 inside, 1 on the outside. I can just grab it up when I'm on the outside to use it. It's really nice out here today. I just woke up with this Cracker Barrel. I'm getting ready to go to North Platte, Nebraska, and I'm gonna put these propane bottles I bought the other day away. So I wanted to keep one of these on the outside so I could just grab it and use my torch or whatever. And I got two of these. This one quit filling for some reason. Both of these quit filling for some reason. And then that's the one I bought yesterday. I'm just gonna replace the one that works with that. Just stash them somewhere, see if I can fix them or get rid of them somehow. So I'm leaving the Cracker Barrel here, and I'm heading out to the Brady Wildlife area. That's right before North Platte, Nebraska. So this is the Brady Wildlife Management Area. I'm just reading this sign here. It says camping limited to 3 days in a 6-day period. Don't look like there's like actual campsites here. You just kind of pull in wherever it looks like. So this is where I just pulled in. It's right here by a lake. And the freeway's right over there. That's 80. There's this road here. I came in on this road here over there. So there's like two roads and then these little connections between them. I'm just gonna walk down here and see what else there is. I'm walking around this lake as far as I can. Van's right over there. I don't know if this road goes all the way around. It's just like one of these roads. I'm gonna see how far it goes around. This is pretty nice here. It's better than a rest area. If this didn't work out, I was going to go to the rest area a couple miles down the road. But I think I'm going to camp here and maybe stay at least 2 days. So I'm still walking down this road here. I'm about to leave my spot here at the Brady Wildlife Area, and I'm going to go down this road out here and go check out the Jeffrey Reservoir. It's a couple miles down the road. So this is the Jeffrey Canyon Reservoir. I didn't know about this place. I would have camped down here last night. I guess there's a small campsite down here somewhere. I think it's over there by them trees. That's a pretty cool place here. This is just down the road from where I camped last night. I don't see anything about camping here, but I've seen like a fire there. I don't see anything that says you can't. I'm not staying here, but I just wanted to come check it out. I'm not sure where I'm heading next. I'm just going to North Platte, get some gas, and then head south into Kansas. And I'll probably stay there in Kansas somewhere tonight. So we'll see you in the next video, see where I end up.